Ria in Mumbai. Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti has posted a cryptic message on her Facebook profile and her Twitter, posting an image of Lord Shiva with a caption saying that someone said to be careful who you mess with, because you don't know of the patient, breaking the patient and doctor confidentiality, which is it is a matter of grave concern. It is an unethical practice, and let's make no bones about it. Secondly, Shelar wants the therapist to be questioned now, demanding ED probe, IT probe, and review her financial statements for foreign exchange or money laundering violations as well. And that's a fair ask. Is the ED planning to go ahead and probe Susan Walker as well?
Chaiti, let's look at it this way. For the last couple of weeks, many politicians have come out and commented on this investigation against the government as well. BJP leader Ashish Shelar has been commenting for the past many days on this very case. He is the very BJP leader who had said that the Home Minister is coming out and giving out statements, whereas it was the responsibility of the PR of the Mumbai police to come out and give his statements. He is the one who had said that the Maharashtra government is scared of the entire investigation and the outcome, and hence the case be handed over to the CBI. And more than that, Devendra Fadnavis, the ex-chief minister, had also said that even if the state government is not realizing the public sentiments, then at least the ED should be taking over the case. A day after, of course, we saw how the FIR was also registered. And then we had the leaders from the government who have been continually saying that enough attempts are being made from the opposition side to malign the government. We saw how Aditya Thackeray had also come out with a statement saying that dirty street politics is being played with him. So yes, as far as what Ashish Shelar is saying at this point of time is correct. Confidentiality code should not have been broken by the doctor. But then let us also understand how there is politics also going on.
Ashish Shelar goes ahead and requests for a thorough investigation of the financials of Susan Walker. There seems to be no harm. If she's not guilty, then the money trail would say, her account details would perhaps present what is true, what is not.
Sri Chaiti, as far as ED is concerned, as far as Mumbai police is concerned, they maintain they are aware of the investigation details. They are aware of who all are the stakeholders here. They say they would want to keep politics aside. Investigation should not have any influences from the political parties, or for that matter, political leaders as well. ED specifically says they know all the stakeholders, they know who to call, who to question. And that is why when we have political leaders time and again coming in, be the political leaders from the state of Maharashtra or the statements coming out from the leaders of Bihar or the higher police officials from Bihar, you know, that's the reason why many times people are saying that all these activities
wanting the psychologist, the
psychologist,
psychotherapist probed at the moment, the lens now on Susan Walker as well. Stay with us, Pankaj, as the Enforcement Directorate is grilling Ria in Mumbai. Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti has posted a cryptic message on her Facebook profile and her Twitter, posting an image of Lord Shiva with a caption saying that someone said to be careful who you mess with, because you don't know who protects them in the spiritual world. That is the caption that follows. She also changed her profile image with Sushant and Lord Shiva. Remember, Sushant's family has accused Ria for the death of the late actor. SSR's family also accused her of siphoning 15 crore rupees of Sushant Singh Rajput. And turf war between Bihar and Mumbai cops intensifies. Bihar government has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court in Sushant Singh Rajput death mystery, slamming Mumbai cops. Bihar government has said that Mumbai cops did not support the investigation, as it did not share crucial evidence with them. The Nitish government also has alleged that Mumbai cops were helping Ria. The affidavit also mentions the quarantine of Patna SP Vinay Tiwari, claiming that he was isolated to obstruct the probe. However, Tiwari has now been released from isolation, provided he leaves the city of Mumbai by 8th of August and furnishes the details of his return ticket to the BMC. This is a move that is coming in after a request was put out by the Patna police saying that the officer was not needed in Mumbai for the investigation and needs to resume duties in Patna.
ये देखिए, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि मुझे क्वारंटाइन किया गया, ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे क्वारंटाइन किया गया। हाँ, ये जरूर है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन को क्वारंटाइन किया गया और बिहार पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही थी, उसमें हम लोग को बाधा पहुंची।
All right, we're taking a very short commercial break. When we return, the focus shifts to...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.